These motion elements clips will work with almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these motion elements. Open Premiere Pro. Import motion elements. Place any motion element clip on the timeline. To change color of motion elements, go to Effects panel and search for Tint. Apply tint effect on motion element clip. Now go to Effects Control panel. In Tint Effect, change Map White to any color you want. You can add multiple copies. Scale and position motion elements from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.